Chinese raffle winners, come on up. All right, you guys, we're about to make the announcements. The first one. All right, number one is the tequila. Go ahead and pull the ticket. Shuffle it around, pull one out. All right, so we have ticket number 06722740. Donate. All right, thank you. The first winner for the tequila, out the door. So the next ticket, or the next raffle, is going to be for the D. Harris brand car detail kit. Shuffle it around, pull the ticket. All right, ticket number 0672810. Get a car detail kit. All right, we have a winner. Thank you.
Here we go. Thank you, sir.
All right, so now the next one is the Hot Wheels Monster Truck set. And that is ticket number 0672826. All right, yeah, we have a winner. Thank you so much. All right, the next raffle is the Rain-X set. All right, shuffle it around, pull a ticket. All right, ticket number is 0672673. Yeah, last four digits, 2673. All right, guys, we'll be moving on.
Yeah, we can't draw another ticket.
Yeah.
So,
All right. All right, so the next one is a WWE Becky Lynch action figure who's into wrestling. Shuffle those around. All right, so the ticket number is 0672693. Thank you. All right, to the young lady here, wrestling fan, all right. All right, so we have the Route Runners Custom Team Prodigy 216 sneakers, size 12. Shuffle it around, pull the ticket. The winner is 0672673. Again, the last four digits, 2673. If no one comes up, we'll be pulling another ticket.
give me the prize. I don't think you can wear size 12. Well, I'm wear it. We'll say we'll put them somewhere.
All right, next ticket. That is 0672693. Last four digits, 2693. Ticket number 2685. All right, we have a winner for the shoes. Where they at? Perfect. Thank you so much. We got the Route Runners Custom TP216 shoes. All right, the next one is the Adidas Donovan Mitchell throwback Utah jersey, or Utah Jazz, men's size 10 and a half. All right, shuffle it around, pull the ticket. These are some throwbacks right here, okay? Ticket number 0672749. Yes, all right, we have a winner. Thank you so much. All right, raffle number, what's this, 9? All right. Okay, 8. All right, so we have the Chemical Guys detail bucket. Shuffle around, pull the ticket. Oh, I already know who the winner is. Jeff Wayne. Where are you at, Jeff? All right. All right, you got your detail kit. Enjoy. Thank you so much. All right, the next raffle is the Armor All detail bucket. Ticket number 0627. Sorry, let me start over. 0672700.
One more time.
One more time. Last 4 digits, 2700. All right, we have a winner. Yeah, that's it. First one. There you go. Thank you so much. All right, next raffle is the Kids Summer Fun Basket. You get a bunch of little goodies, toys, good for the kids. Shuffle them around. Let's see what we got. 0672745. All right, we have a winner. All right, you on it. Thank you so much. So the next one is from DNL Rudy. So we have a Hot Wheels kits, Hot Wheels basket. All right.
And that's courtesy of Loud and Slow.
It's courtesy of Loud and Slow. Yana? Oh, we have another winner. Summit banner. Shuffle it around, pull the ticket. All right, we have ticket number 06727. 0672741. Hey, we have another winner. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes, perfect for your garage. All right now, man cave. Next is the gimbal camera stabilizer. This one, I love this because I'm into photography. So let's jump it around, see who wins. All right. Ginger. Is there a Ginger here? Ticket number ending in 2666. Well, okay. All right, so we have their phone number on this ticket, so that's good for Ginger, because we will be mailing it out to her. That's a good one. We will contact her somehow. We should get it. So we have a Griot's foaming sprayer. Alright, ticket number ending in 2818. 0672818. Alright, you got the foaming sprayer. Thank you so much. Alright, we're good. Thank you. Alright, so the next one is the Pink Whitney drink. Yeah. Alright, let's see who wins. That is number 0672833. There is no number on the back of this, so we can't send it out. All right, moving on. All right, so we have the Chefman Portable Compact Grill. Wait, did you win? All right, so you got the, let's see what you got. Let me see. All right, yes, we have a winner. Enjoy your drink. Thank you so much. All right, so for the portable grill, we have number ending in 2809. 067, all right, 2809. I think we have a winner. Thank you. Yes, enjoy, thank you so much. On to the next one. Let's see what we got here. It's a back to school kit. That's a cool Mario bag for the kiddies. All right, shuffle it around. All right, let's see. Last four digits, 2725.
No?
0672725. Oh, there is a number on here. Yep. All right, we will give them a call and send it out to them. Thank you so much. All right, so the last one we have is the drone. Now this one was a big raffle here. This drone is valued at, what is this, $700? Beautiful. Actually, it's $1,400 because I remember my drone is the the first version of this, and it was definitely expensive. So this one, you get the really nice carbon case that comes with it. It's definitely tidy, it's safe. You get the remote control, you get the drone, you get the 3 batteries. The thing is with these drones, the batteries run out like in 25 minutes. So you have 3 batteries and you can keep charging them while you're recording. So it's great. This is a good drone. All right. This is the ticket. All right, so let's see who wins. The ticket number is 06272739. Hey, number 1. All right, thank you so much. Let me see your ticket. Yeah, that's you. Thank you. Enjoy. That is a prize right there. Thank you guys so much. One more thing, DJ. All right, so you guys, we got one more thing. No one really put any tickets into one of these baskets. This is for the Hey Buddy Fitness and Nutrition consultation. It was free along with a $25 Aladdin's gift card. The restaurant, anybody who's interested in raffling for that prize. Just auctioning it. We're just bidding. $10. $25 gift card plus a free consultation. Aladdin's, there's really? From where? There's Aladdin's everywhere. There's one I know in Independence, which is a little bit of ways. There's also one in let's see one that's close. You just take this with you tonight and have a nice dinner. So hold on. There's a bunch in this area.
We got $10 so far.
What's that? There's one in Cuyahoga Falls. $15, all right. The bid is at $15. Anyone else interested? Going once, going twice. So, to the gentleman right here. Thank you so much. Yes. Inside? Yeah. Thank you so much. All right, right now we're preparing for the awards ceremony. So for the top cars, you will be announced very soon. Thank you so much.
One ticket. Okay, give it to him. Sorry, give it to him.
Take that one. You can have it. All right. So we have ticket number 5854697 5050. $70. All right, here we go. Do Excess Energy's sponsor choice first, so you guys can come on up. Excess Energy. Where's their shuffle? Just hold on to that for me. Here we go. Energy drink events, Excess Energy. We have number 25, Jonathan Burrell, 2008 Green Nissan 350Z. That here turn drink. All right. Okay. Go get down to some nitty-gritty right here. So, not trying to bring the mood down at all, but we all in the car community lost a good friend, Kenny McNellis. You guys probably saw him around over the years with his white Volkswagen Golf GTI. Put a lot of work into it over the years, and unfortunately, we lost him to cancer this year. And we call this plaque, this special award, a tribute to our friend. Now, in the future years, we will be giving this away to a vehicle itself, but we want to give it away to Kenny's friends and family. The one person we have, and we've all signed it, the one person we have as a representative for Kenny McNellis is our good friend Jeff Way. He's known Kenny over 40 years, and we want to give this to you and his friends and family, just so we can all remember our friend. So where's Jeff Way? Let you do the top 25.
We're going to do top 25. So, not in any order. And that doesn't mean that they're the nicest, best cars even. This is Team Prodigy's top 25. It's our style, what we like. Which is pretty much everything here. So, okay, so, first one we got number 14, Anthony, with a 16 silver STI. Next up, we got number 18, Caleb. With a 1 Outback. I like seeing that on the end. Thank you. Subi's made a hell of a showing this year. They blew all the Mopars away this year, man. Next, we got number 23, Zachary, with a 15, Subi, BRZ. Next, we got number 22, David, with an 06 blue WRX wagon. Old school and clean as hell, man. Alright. Next, getting away from the Subies. Number 37, Eric Hammond with the blue Eclipse. There he is. Eric has some really good shows too, if you guys don't know. Keep your eye out for shows at the show. Thank you, man. Good picture.
Thank you.
All right, next we got, well, of course, we got Jeff Way. For his Paprika Adventure.
Paprika.
Next, we got a 2000 red Chevy Corvette, number 40, Tyler. Next, we got number 24, Nick Wood, with a 2014 Mustang GT. Next, we got number 34, Orlando, with the red Pontiac Tempest. Is he still here? Okay.
All right. Orlando! Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Come on now. We gotta get more than one. Nobody wants to pick me up. Somebody else got it. There we go. Thank you.
All right, next we got number 51, Sam, with a 69 Chevy Chevelle. Right, next we have, cool. We got Mo Jackson with the 89 black Mercedes.
All right, Mo.
Mo still here? Number 52, Joe. 89 black Mercedes. He was down around there on the side, so we'll get it to him later.
Yeah, that's I'll get it to him.
Okay.
I'll see him.
Okay. We'll see him later.
He wasn't here for the award last year, and I gave it to him in college.
All right, next we got number 5, Wesley, with a 66 turquoise Cutlass.
Big West.
Next we got number 45, Ron Bush, 76 green Cadillac. Just get out of the way, you'll take care of it.
All right, winner in the middle, winner in the middle. Appreciate it. Thank you for coming. Hopefully we'll see you next year. No problem.
All right, next we got number 28, Ray, with a 2000 Simmons, a 2000 Silver Prowler. Number 10, Antonio King, the Green Bags Charger. Okay, next, number 3. Mike, the Orange Crush Chevy Camaro. There we go. Next, we got number 33, Ray, with the orange Chevy Corvette. There he is. All right, now we got number 19, Damien, with a red Ford Fusion. All right, we got number 2, Mike Stewart with a black C8 Corvette. Next we got number 29, Joe with a red shiny snapback. Next we got at number 32, Joel with the red Jaguar F-Type. There you go.
All right, Joe.
Winning all over the place, huh? Next one now. Next we have, oh geez, another one, Alex Hammonds with the red Civic SI. Then we got number 30, Noah Howard, black Scooby. Next one. All right, I think somehow we got 3 top 25s now. Number 44. Sorry, I don't have the details. What'd you drive?
White A7.
Oh, okay. And number 35. Again, sorry I don't have the details. What you got? 2018 Ford Explorer.
That was a good picture.
And final, number 16.
Hey, Joe.
Hey.
All right, real quick, guys. I don't know what happened to it, but we had it was a water bottle, but we were putting our cancer donations in there. Unfortunately, we only had $1 in the cancer bucket. I'm gonna dump this out, pass this around, because I don't want to have to start water bottle that fast. We're going to be donating this money and a portion of, as well as a portion of the proceeds to the Light Night Foundation. Something we started doing last year with our buddy Christopher Johnson over there. Thank you. We do it's a cancer walk. Unfortunately, cancer has affected many, many people, including my own family. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you can find it in your hearts to donate, you don't have to, but if you can find it in your heart, that'd be great. Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, I'm gonna turn this over to just hold it, Mom. Just don't drop it, Renee. Renee's car's right there. Mother, Mom, back early. Yeah, but her car's right there, baby. We already at the table already too close. Just hold on to that. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna turn it over to Mr. Avante Harai, our Team Prodigy rookie. This is one of my good friends, along with my buddy over here, Joe Reynolds. I've known Joe for years, but I've been taking Taekwondo with AV for a very long time. We kicked each other's butts a couple times. So, I'm gonna turn it over to my man right here, and tell us a little bit about AV General Contractor before you present your work.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Let's give a round of applause for ourselves. Because without you guys showing up, there is no show. So thanks for being here. And this is AV General. I'm AV General. Basically, a general contracting company specializing in carpentry, but not limited to. Out here, there's a lot of fly-by-night contractors that just want the money. They just want to get in and out. And I basically just stand firm and believes in integrity and putting your best foot forward and pride in your work, which is dying nowadays. So, yeah, we stand with that. And you can look me up on Google. We're a 5-star company on there. Yes. Those are real reviews by real people that put the client first. We put the client first, and basically, try to give back, get what you pay for. Pay good money, you get good work. But anyway, as AV General, and this is my crew, we side with them because we have integrity. We have we have morals, values, and we stand on that. We treat people with respect. So I get to pick a car. Now, I'm a Subaru guy, so I didn't pick any Subarus because that's just not fair. I'm gonna give somebody else a chance. So the car that stuck out to me the most was the Mustang, number 1. The engine bay. When I went up there and saw that engine bay, oh man. If he still got his hood up, go check his engine bay out. I mean, the outside is easy to get into, but the inside, yeah, for sure. Hey, my pleasure, man. Great job. It's hard to detail engine bay. It's pretty in there. So, I think that's all I got. I talked enough.
I appreciate you, my man. I appreciate that. Yes. What happened? Oh, real quick. Bring it on out here, Sosa. Now, we got more sweets. Last year we helped her sell out, so we got to do it again. Tell us what you got.
I have strawberry and Oreo cheesecake, apples, and cups, and cupcakes. And also last call for burrito tacos and walking tacos and hot dogs.
All right. She got those cakes, she got those snacks. We helped her sell out last year. Let's see if we can do it again.
Car coasters, we're selling 2 for $10.
All right, car coasters we sell as well, 2 for $10. If anybody interested, it's a bunch of sweets and snacks right here.
Tell them how much they cost.
Yeah, that's right. I'll take this out. That's probably why I'm not allowed to hold it. I'm sorry.
They pretty, y'all.
So the apples were $12, but I'm selling them for $10 now, and the cups are $5, and the cupcakes are 2 for $5.
guys figured out right there, right? All of them. Okay. What were you asking me about? All right. All right. We're going to do the Heights Title Agency pick. So here, come on around, Beverly. By the way, Sammy Sosa Sweets is right out front, in front of the building. As soon as you go out the other door to go to the front, she's over there to the left. As soon as you walk out. But here you go, Mom.
Okay, so my title is part of this organization with this great car club. I love them very much. I'm a real estate title and escrow officer, licensed by the state of Ohio for 30 years, guys. My company is going on 30 years old, so if you ever need a closer, escrow officer, title insurance, I'm good at that. 42 years of experience. So go ahead.
Okay, Heights Title Agency, I'm going to get you the control. Heights Title Agency picks car number 49. Will win a 24 ceramic gray Chevy Corvette C8. I hope they're not, because we got to pick again if they're not here.
Okay, they're not here?
It's not like none of any of us know him,
Oh,
unfortunately.
Steve Davis.
Yeah.
Steve Davis.
All right, we're gonna have to pick again.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll go get another one. All right, hold on, guys. I have my phone.
We're gonna move on. Where's Modesty? She's behind you, Ricky. Somebody, I don't know. She's right behind you.
Y'all know I'm like real shy, so I don't like no speakers.
I'll stay here and take the
So I'm at Tin Shop. I'm actually like 2 minutes from here. It's called Royalty Tin. I'm the owner. I talked to a few of you guys here actually. Well, yeah, if you guys ever need tint, vinyl wrap or anything, just reach out, give you a good little rate. Let me know. And then my pick was number 41, James. I cannot pronounce your last name, I'm sorry. 2018 Challenger.
All right, we're gonna go back to, we got the picture. Oh, she's happy. Winner in the middle. I don't even need to be in this one, we're going this way. All right, we have, if you're wondering why there's a martial arts guy on top of this trophy, it's because this is from our master instructor, Master James Marr and Master Marr's Taekwondo. If you want to learn Taekwondo, if you want to get into martial arts at all, we've been there forever. And we love it. Anybody can do it. We have people 60, 70 years old taking it. We got black belts that's in there as well. So, my mom just got her blue belt yesterday. She just walked. Yeah. I've been doing it for over 10 years now. And if you ever want to come in just to try it out, the first class is free. Anybody can do it if you're willing to do the work. So, what's your excuse? All right.
We did say free.
All right.
So you can't lose with free.
Car number 50, 65 white Buick Electra 225. Tony. All right. But you'll have one of those guys on your man. All right.
It's gonna be a real kick.
All right, get in here. All right, thank you. All right, I need the brochure. I don't know it offhand, but it's right off of Chagrin, Master Marr's Taekwondo, right off of Chagrin and Lee. Can't miss it. And now we have Biggs Total Rehab and Remodeling. It is car number 4, a 67 green Ford Mustang. Pat Tomasic. All right, our friends right across the parking lot in this building behind us is Trusted Advisors of Ohio. They have a sponsor pick as well. It is car number 42, a 92 red Mazda Miata, Dominic Erb. Car number 42. He said, I am smiling. All right, before we go on to our last, we only see 2 more awards on this table, but we have 4 left. But before we get into that, I want to say this before I forget, because I wouldn't be doing our sponsors any justice if I did. I want to thank our sponsors. Our partners at Heist Title Agency, Trusted Advisors of Ohio, AV General Contracting, Biggs Total Rehab, Royalty Tent, Sosa Sweets, Master Mars Taekwondo, D. Harris Brand. Oh, that's me. That's my company. Our new friends at Wilson Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. Mr. Solomon Mathis is over there somewhere. Hey Buddy CBD, Clean Glow Services. We got Chef Marvin in the back with M&D Tasty Creations. The Flores family, Miss Latreat, she works on the 3rd floor here in this building, always been a doll and helping us with the show. Long Division Creative, 110 Events, and 904L, am I saying the recording company right? All right. And of course, our new friends, Tim and the crew at M&F Outfitters and Ohio Drone Repair. You guys have been freaking awesome. We want to have you every year from here on out. You guys have been a big help. And dealing with me, messing up the logos, coming back and driving another 30 minutes during my work day to get this sorted out. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate your patience. So before I finish up with this and these other awards, I want to thank my team. I want to thank my shooter, my number 1 right here, India Spencer. I love you to death. You've been a big support for me and everything we've done for this crew. I want to thank my mom, Beverly Harris, because this has been a journey. She told me I came out the win asking for toy cars and stuff like that. And she'll probably start telling the story, so I'm going to wrap this up before she comes back out here. I want to thank Kristen. You've been a big help. You just always find out things to do. Renee, always keeping people in line who try to climb on people's cars, but she's also one of the realest people I know. And I appreciate everything you've contributed to this group and just being around. You've been a breath of fresh air. I really appreciate you. Chris and Halima, you guys are like that cool aunt and uncle. Appreciate you guys a lot. You guys aren't on the team, but your family, I appreciate you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's see who else is over here. We got my guy, Xander. Xander was not officially on Team Prodigy, but he has helped out tremendously. We went to 4 or 5 shows, and I was handing out flyers. I'm old school. I do social media stuff, but I also walk around and hand out flyers. So do the other members of the crew as well. He came up to me on multiple occasions, took the flyers, every flyer I had out of my hand, and handed them out on his own. I greatly appreciate you, and you are now full-fledged Team Prodigy 216. You're on the team. You're on the team. Only way out now is in the box. AV, my brother, I appreciate you. You always give positive vibes. I'm always here for you, and always here to listen, and vice versa. Jody Joe. My man Joe is not a big car person, but I told him years ago when I wanted to start Team Prodigy 216, he said, I'm not a big car dude, but whatever you need from me, I got you. And that's been brotherhood for almost 15 years. Dave and Laura Rudy. What's up, y'all? Lost now they hide. I just enjoy being around you guys. You guys have been great. It's never been an issue just having you guys around. I love talking to Dave. Just find out Dave's a wrestling fan like me today, so that's awesome. Laura, can't say too much more good about you. I appreciate you. Modesty, you're awesome. Bella, she's shy, so I think she's staying inside. But Bella and Sean have been amazing. I love you guys greatly. Did I run down the whole team? Oh, man, come on, man. This guy right here, Clint Jackson, when I first started Team Prodigy 216, he was just before it.
Yes.
Yeah, he just told me I reminded him of, I don't know his name, he's just some big black dude. But we become big homies and good friends over the years. This is one guy I really couldn't do this team without. I mean, it's one of my co-VPs, him in India, and Joe's my executive vice president, along with our road captain Renee. It's been awesome just having you guys. Shout out to my cousin Ricky here as well. We got a lot of family support. He and Xander have been on my back the whole time we've been walking here. So whatever I need, taking pictures, trying to help people out today, I had Gophers to just handle it no problem, and they were great. But back to Clint, I appreciate you, man. Trust me, this team would be the same without you. You've been here for all the crazy times. You've seen them come, seen them go. We've had this lineup we have now is nothing like this when we started this in 2016, but he's been here the whole time. I talk to him. Oh, Platform Society, I appreciate you guys. These guys are freaking awesome. They were our backup, but we need to disappear for a few minutes, helping people park. And since we're talking about that, sponsored by M&F Outfitters and Ohio Drum Repair, Flat Force Society is our best team, club, and/or group for 2024. Everybody come up here for next group.
Gang, gang.
I don't know, can you get them on?
Yeah, let's play something. You about to give out that award.
Did you get me? Did you get me? Excuse me, miss. Did you get me?
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
We got one more award before we start with the big ones. The big one. We got the Team Prodigy King's Choice Award, which I think this was the most popular choice from all the kids. We got number 9 with the red Jeep. She was just sitting there 2 minutes ago. All right, that's it for now, but we will be back in a few.
The Rachel Bryan Award is our Lead Lady Driven Award, dedicated to my cousin Rachel, who we unfortunately lost to cancer earlier this year. This means a lot to us, our family. So I'm gonna hurry up and give away our winner. It's car number 9. It's a Jeep. Sorry, I'm a little, but yeah, this is yours.
Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. My first car show. So thank you.
All right. All right. Best in show. All right. We're going to have last year's winner. This tradition we was trying to have, but sometimes the winners don't come back from the previous year. We're going to have last year's winner present the championship to our winner this year. This is car 31. Where's my, yeah, here it is. It's, what year was that 911? It's 1975 Porsche 911. There you go, right there. All right. All right, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much.
You don't hear about it.
Thank all you guys. God bless. We love you guys. We're looking forward to doing this again next year. Shout out to Chris Melko right here with the camera. Yeah. We met him a couple weeks ago. Awesome guy. Shout out to everybody who attended tonight. Like I said, we love you guys. Everybody, please be safe getting home. Safe trip. We want to see you guys again next year and at other shows before the season is out. So be safe getting home. We love you and take care. Forward always.